As you can see, we have a lot to go through, so get comfortable. We're starting off strong with this brand, and this is a pair of heels. Look at this. Are you kidding me? This is what they look like, and they're so perfect. I already tried it on, and they're true to size, and they're super comfortable. There's the logo right there, and there's also one at the bottom. These are so nice and so elegant and just so cute that you can wear so many ways. I definitely give this one a 10 out of 10. Moving on to another pair of shoes, we have these sandals, and they're so cute. Here's a close-up of what they look like, and there's the logo right there. This is what the soles look like. Look at them, they're so cute. I will say this one fits in the middle. It's true to size, but you could also size up one if you like your sandals to be a little oversized. This one also gets a 10 out of 10. Next, this brand, and I do have a couple, so I'm excited to review for you guys. So the first shoes look like this, and I am literally obsessed. It's not leather, this material. I can't really describe what it is, I have no idea, but it's so comfortable. If you know, the most popular heels of this brand has a very thin strap right here, and that makes my feet hurt. So if that didn't work for you, they're so comfortable, and they will not hurt your feet at all. Here's a close-up of the details, and this is what the soles look like. And here's another close-up. These are also true to size, 10 out of 10. Then I fear we have our first flop of the haul, because things just can't go completely smooth. These heels are so cute, but they are an absolute no for me. First off, this came missing whatever little diamond things, and the heel part, you see what I mean? And then whenever I walk, because obviously I try them on, it makes a noise. So these are no for me. Moving on to this brand, we have what I think might be one of my favorite shoes from this haul, because I'm literally obsessed. Look at how cute these are. Here is a close-up, and this is what the bottom looks like. I will say, when I first bought them, I thought it was gonna be like a thong sandal, but no, it's just like mules basically. These are honestly so comfortable, and I'm so happy with them. 10 out of 10. Also came with the dust bag and all the paperwork, and they are true to size. Moving on, we have another from this brand. These are my regular slides. You guys know that I am literally obsessed. Comes with a shopping bag, and this is what they look like. So cute. And the bottom looks like this. There's the logo, and this is a close-up of the details. They're also true to size, 10 out of 10. Moving on, we have a couple from this brand. These are two separate sellers. As you can tell, the boxes are different colors, but both of them are really good finds. So to start off with this one, you will get a shopping bag and all the paperwork that comes with it inside. This is what they look like, and I'm so obsessed. They're so cute. Here's a close-up of the details, and this is what it looks like. Here's the bottom. 10 out of 10 and true to size. I'm so silly. Moving on to the next one, it comes with a dust bag, but it does not come with a shopping bag. This is what they look like, and they're so cute. I haven't had any that looks like this, so I'm super excited that I was able to find a good quality one. Here's a close-up, and this is what the bottom looks like. I will say for this one, I would size up one. Still 10 out of 10 quality, and this is literally perfect for the summer. It's such a cute color. Now that I'm done with the shoes, we can move on to the other items. We're gonna start off strong with probably my favorite find. This is so cute. I already used her. It does not come with the charm. I had the charm separate, but it is linked in my bio if you want it. This is what she looks like inside. This is the Chelsea 36, and oh my gosh, she's amazing. I literally already used her for a week. Whenever I first got her, she did not come with the slouch. It came after I worn her for a couple of days, but this bag is just stunning in every possible way. Here's a close-up, There's the tag right there. There's just one zipper, but you can literally fit so much. I put so much in this bag and there is still so much room left over. Another close-up detail. Literally 10 out of 10. Next we have this brand. It comes with a dust bag and this is what she looks like. I am so happy with this find. She's so pretty and such good quality as well. I found this bag before and it just wasn't up to my standards, so I literally threw it away. This is what she looks like inside and there's the tag right there. It also does come with the crossbody strap and she's so cute. It also comes with the paperwork. Moving on to this brand, and oh my gosh, the box came like this, by the way. So I didn't have to assemble, it literally came like that. I'm so happy. And I love this color, it's so pretty. Guys, you're not ready. Look at her. She's absolutely stunning. My only problem is the diamonds on this one don't fully line up, but that's okay. No one's really gonna see the back of her. This is what she looks like. It has the logo right there, this right, and there's also the logo right there. This bag is so cute and literally such a cute color. I don't have anything like this, so I'm so happy to add her to my collection. Like I said, she's beautiful, but if you do care about the stitching on the back, this might not be the one for you. She also comes with a dust bag and some paperwork. Next, we have this beautiful bag. As you can see, I'm trying to add more color into my bags because I just have a lot of black and white and I just need some more colors. This is a close-up of her and she's absolutely stunning. It comes with this little chain and this little tag right here. This is what she looks like on the inside. As you can see, you can fit a lot in here. And there's the logo right there. And I'm so happy with this bag. She's so cute. This is what she looks like. And this strap is adjustable, so you can make it longer or shorter according to whatever you want. Next, here we have a classic. And this is my first time ordering this one. I don't know why it's been so long because this is such a classic bag. Look at her. She's so cute. This is what the back looks like, and you can use it as a crossbody or just like a one shoulder. This is what the inside looks like. It's a red suede material and it comes with these two pouches that you can take out if you want, so it's just one full bag for whatever you want to put in there instead of just like a wallet bag. What I like about this bag is that yes, it comes with a long strap chain, but if you loop it inside, you can make her a little shoulder bag, and this is so cute. You can also put the chain inside and just use her as a clutch, and so, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Even right now, this just goes so well. 10 out of 10 find. Next, from this brand as well, and I've been searching for this bag, guys. Look at her. I was left speechless when I opened the bag and I looked at her because she's freaking pretty. The gold is literally perfect. Here's a close-up of the details. This is the back. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm literally obsessed with this one. I don't even like small bags like this because if you know me, I like my bags to fit a lot of things. But I love this bag so much that I can just see me wearing this bag so many times, even though I can't fit a lot of things on her. This is the inside. There's the tag, so you get this zipper. The material is like a suede pink. There is the middle opening that it's supposed to have, and then there's this side that looks like this. The straps are both detachable, so you can wear both like this with the chain, or you can wear just one, or if you want, you can just wear the chain like this. But literally so cute. I'm so happy with this find. Literally so freaking happy. This one definitely top tier quality, 10 out of 10. Moving on to our smaller items, we're gonna start off with this one. Let's see what we have here. We have this beautiful LV keychain. Looks like it's so cute. It has the LV logo and the flower. The flower is imprinted on both sides, and there's also the name running on this part. Such a cute charm or keychain. You can wear it both ways, and I'm gonna try to make this quick because my light is dying. So let's see this one. I think this is a wallet. Yes. So here we have this beautiful wallet that has a coin pouch if you need it. This is what she looks like inside. It has all the card slots and this opening plus the coin pouch. Close up for the quality, 10 out of 10. And it also comes with the paperwork. Last and final item. If you've made it to the end, congrats. Final item, we have another wallet. This is a denim one and she's so cute. This is what she looks like on the inside. It also came with the paperwork. Here's a close-up. 10 out of 10 on this one. Everything I've reviewed is linked in my bio. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me as well. And happy shopping.